Here we have a 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We do also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Sophisto grey brilliant metallic paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills and the front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Right onto the passenger side you find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the eDrive button just here on the side. If we take a closer look just there you can see. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler as well. We do have the front and rear parking sensors, which has a visual display inside and an audible warning. We have the rear diffuser at the back with the dual exit exhaust, and there's a look at that rear end. Okay, so walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if we take a look then at the interior now, so heading on into the back, first you find we have the full black leather interior combined with the blue stitching. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well. Let's look at them back seats. We do have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. You may have noticed the ambient lighting on the doors. We also have the electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, you find the same full black leather interior, with both the front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable, as you can see controlled down there. We do have the electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle turns on. Cruise control, speed limiter just here on the left hand side, and we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. Now we also have the main screen just here in the centre. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we quickly go through them, we do have the shortcuts down here. So click onto the media, you'll find the radio stations. We also have the other options which we're going to scroll down to just here. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. And if we go into the main menu, and then go onto my vehicle, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. It's currently on lilac, but as you can see we have many more colours which you can go through. We do also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down you find the dual zone climate control for the front, heated seats and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. We have the automatic gearbox just here with the different drive modes. So you find we have the Eco Pro drive mode, we have the Comfort and also the Sport drive mode as well. Changes the look of the dashboard as you go between them. We also have the parking sensors, so if we put the car into reverse, it appears on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing the P button. We have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button just there, and also the armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm having to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the pedal shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode you can tap on the pedals and it will change gear. We do also have the cruise control and the speed limiter buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different bits of information and different displays that you would have seen in the photos. Now if you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, really comfortable seats. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also electrically adjustable, again adds to the comfort level, and they're also both heated as well, perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we have plenty of other features on the interior. We've got the ambient lighting, which really makes it a nice place to be. We also have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but many more features on there you would have seen on the photos. Of course we've got the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We've got the dual zone climate control at the front with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for them hot summer days. And of course we do also have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. Now we're about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down and we'll wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So just wait for this van to go past, then make the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.